the most precious commodity on earth, and glacial water is the purest and most pristine. +9,000 years later, glacial water was discovered at Springstone Farm. It's glacial water and also spring water because it naturally comes to the surface on its own. Located in the United States of America on the East Coast in the state of Vermont. Close to Montpelier, in Waitsfield, Vermont, off of Route 89 and 100. We'll be going down Reed Road to the entrance of the boreholes. Coming off of Long Road, which is a town road. Springstone Farm is to your right. This is an old logging road and the entrance to the boreholes. This is the entrance and the boreholes. There's no pump, the water is pouring out. It's 1,500 to 2,000 gallons a minute, which is conservatively estimated. These are back pastures and other boreholes on the property. Looking back at Long Road, the primary town road and the pastures from the old farmhouse. Now looking down from Long Road to the pastures and the hills of Springstone Farm. This property in front, the pastures belong to a neighbor, but everything else in the tree line is Springstone Farm and Scrag Mountain Peak, which is owned by Springstone. Heading back down Long Road, this is the frontage of Springstone Farm and pastures, looking out at the rolling hills, and there are pastures in between the trees back there that aren't visible at this angle. And the old farmhouse, which is right on Long Road. The recharge of the aquifer is extremely high because of the trees. The trees draw moisture right out of the clouds, and of course, rain and snow add to the recharge. So the 1,500 to 2,000 gallons a minute could go into perpetuity. We're back at Reed Road, which is the logging road and access to the wells. Now we'll head down Long Road, Town Road, to East Road, also a town road, to Ronk Road, which is a town road that brings you up to the far left-hand side of Springstone Farm, which is colored in orange. So it's another access road. We're heading down Long Road now, looking out at Springstone Farm, which is all the trees. heading down East Road. The property on both sides at this juncture is owned by neighbors, and we'll turn shortly to look back at Springstone Farm. So Springstone Farm is beyond the trees, and also Reed Road is behind those trees. We're heading over Pine Brook again and on to Ronk Road. Springstone Farm is located just 5 minutes from Waitsfield Village on Route 100. No pump. This water flows out with great pressure and can go into perpetuity at 1,500 to 2,000 gallons a minute. You can own one of the largest sources and most pristine bedrock aquifers in the Northeast, located in the United States of America.